Hi, I'm Joann Epps from Philadelphia. Here are my thoughts on things to avoid in making opening statements. It goes without saying that you shouldn't read an opening statement because your goal is to talk to people and to engage them. But in addition to not reading your opening statement, I don't think you ought to memorize an opening statement. I don't think what you want to do is deliver something that sounds like a speech. What you want to do is talk to people. And in talking to people, what you want to do is tell them a magical, powerful, factual story. You don't want to ask for too much too soon. I think a common mistake that people make in opening statements is that they go too far down the line toward closing. Now, while I think it's really important in your opening statement to stay true to your theme, to emphasize your theme, to repeat your theme, you don't want to ask for more than you're entitled to at this early stage before people have heard the case. So you want to talk about what happened in your case and what the facts are. So here are things not to forget to do in an opening statement. Don't forget to understand your theme and to return to your theme as often as possible. Don't forget to be as powerful and as persuasive as you can in the facts that you're articulating. And the last thing not to forget is don't forget to give a lot of thought to the perspective that you want to tell your opening statement from. Are you going to deliver this in the words of an omniscient narrator, somebody on high? There once was a case that involved the following? Or are you going to situate the listener in the seat of your client? If you are the defendant, for example, it can be very, very powerful for you to deliver your opening statement from the reasonable positions that your client took in the actions he or she chose to do. And if you tell the story from the perspective of your client, the listener hears that story from the perspective of someone faced with the choices of your client. You might want to tell them from the perspective of the other side, particularly if you think the other side acted inappropriately or unreasonably. So when you're thinking about an opening statement, make sure that you give a lot of thought to how you can best situate your facts in a powerful way that engages the listener.